Hi, this is a video just for the grounding and to make sure that you know how to ground at any time this year. So what I would suggest is, first of all, few tips that are really, really easy and simple. The first one is to breathe from your diaphragm, breathing in, putting the belly out, breathing out, putting the belly in. This is a way of being aware of your body, of the present time where you are, and putting yourself now in the now and into your body. Now, if you have a good visualization, what you can do is visualize the roots and anchors from the tail of the bone, the tailbone, and the sole of the feet going down, and even anchors, heavy anchors like the boat anchors, just really, really grounding you to the earth and the fifth dimension, I would say, where we're going. If you're ready, then it's okay, you know, if you feel okay, grounding. If you don't feel okay, then see my other video with clearing and cleansing everything first and then do the grounding. So just really ground down to the fifth dimension, to the earth, to the beautiful earth, which gives you all you need. The other way of grounding is to do this in the middle of the park, just to really press from between and feel your body. So it just really touch your body in like this, squeeze it. So again, you just ground and be yourself. And again, you can kind of press on your thighs. So you can actually press on your thighs to make sure that you feel your legs. You can massage the same, but with your feet in the middle of the feet. Just massage them. Think that those are feet instead of the hands, and really, really massage them. Or have somebody massaging that, or take a little ball and kind of massage the middle of the feet, you know, just feel it. So just really, really nice to have that. The other way of grounding is eating something, eating some food and being conscious of eating it. And what you do, possibly healthy food, you can be a carrots, it can be something dense, and you can chew it really, really well. So chew that food really, really well. Just be aware of what you're eating. Do not, when you're eating at the table, at your table, just be conscious of what you're doing. So just look at what you're doing, look what you're eating, and no other distractions around. The other thing that you can do is drinking water. Drinking water is also a way of being in the present time, because you fill that water in. Remember that we are 90% water, so you need to drink water to be present. And that is about, it's about 6 to 10 glasses of water a day. Yeah. And that will ground you as well. The other thing, if you don't have a blood pressure problems, you can actually put heavy weight on your ankles and walk a little bit. The other way is actually walking. So, but when you're walking, you actually need to do left foot, right foot, right foot. So you actually think, okay, I'm putting the left foot in, right foot in, left foot, right foot. So you actually concentrating on actually walking and being on earth and being here. The other beautiful way of grounding is actually putting yourself into bare feet and walking on the sand or actually in the park, and that is a beautiful way. It's a really beautiful way of grounding and connecting to the earth, because the earth is actually negative ion and our positive ion just will connect to the earth and keep you grounded. So it's a beautiful way. Obviously, walking bare feet also will ground you. If you are lucky enough to be near a beach or some places that you can walk bare feet, that's amazing and you're lucky. So in a city it's a little bit more difficult, but whatever parks you have, if it's not dumping down with water, obviously it's uncomfortable, but even that can ground you because you can feel the wetness and the ground beneath you. Just take something to clean after your feet if you want to, or just bear in mind that. And the other way is, again, while you're walking, you're just walking left, right, thinking that, but also breathing while you're walking from the diaphragm. Enjoy the view, the nature. If you walk around the nature, there is, in London we are lucky, but anywhere you are, if you have a little bit of nature, just walk in nature and just pay attention to the birds, pay attention to what you're seeing, you're hearing, whatever it is, and then ground. And this is those are the really simple way of grounding. It's really, really simple that you can do anytime. You can teach your children. Your children actually jump up and down. When they do jump up and down, it's that they want to stay and they want to be happy. And that's about it. And hopefully you enjoying this part of the grounding. And if you can't ground after all those things, then watch the clearing of 21, 12, 20 of the lights, the conjunction, when the conjunction of of Saturn and Jupiter, and a lot of lights and were coming down. So all the best for now.